Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today guys, I'm gonna boil some bad kung soup, otherwise lambi. Guys, be a badness. You understand now? Be a badness in the kitchen. What I'm gonna do guys, you know say kung is a thing take a while to boil. You understand now? So I'm gonna pung him up and then boil it. Guys, be a badness in the kitchen. Some kung soup, otherwise lambi. Guys, watch what I go on. Yeah guys, so this are my conchs guys. I don't know. Jamaican call it conchs, but the right name is lambi. You understand what I did? So guys, what I go do? I go wash him off, melt him, put him to tar out first, then I pung him up. You understand what I did? I light up the stove. And guys, make you see what I go on in the kitchen. Guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so light up my stove. You understand what I did, yeah. Guys, see my lambi. When I go to I put them in one bag and pound them. That means they cook more faster. You understand me? Guys, watch your badness in the kitchen today. Soon come back. So me light up the stove, make my water go on hot. Guys, be a badness. Yeah guys, so see me lambi. Me pound me but could have pound little more. Me not lie guys, you could have pound little more. So I go boil it guys. I go cut him up and boil it. You understand me can go and boil guys. Be a badness in the kitchen. Like me have to go pong them a little more, pong them one guys. You understand me how I did there. So in fact, I mean I go pong you know me I go do, I go split them. I go split it, cut it quite thick. You understand me how I did that when it thick so take a time to cook. So guys, what I go do, I go split them, bust them in a two. So guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Guys, now cook them up, you understand me how I did. Guys, me not lie, that soup I go bad. Lambi soup guys. With me corn, my dumpling, my Irish, pumpkin, my yam, my dasheen. Guys, name it guys. Be a badness. Now kitchen tell them, I not lie if you tell them. So all them I just bust them. Yeah. Some bad conch soup guys, we call it conchs. Otherwise lambi. Don't know lambi are the correct name. Guys, just watch how I go on in the kitchen and be a badness. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go put my lambi then to go and boil. Otherwise, put my conch them to go and boil guys. You see that? So I cut them up. Yeah. So guys, you know say conch take a time to cook. You understand now these? Yeah. So now make you go and cook. Guys, just watch your badness in the kitchen. Guys, I want to go bad. Now lie if you tell them. Some bad kung soup guys. Guys, please like, share, comment, click a notification bell as a video drop of it guys. Guys, me soon come back. Yeah guys, so in my boil. Leave that in my boil guys. Me not lie if you tell you. Now I'm gonna put some more water in there. That means water when you night not dry down too fast. You understand me how I did? Yeah. So I'm gonna put some more water in the pot guys. Making boil. Guys, I have to go buy some pressure cooker pot. If you have a pressure cooker pot, you don't know about this. Go quick. I understand how I did, yeah, but still not watch that. Yeah guys, so I full pot of water. Make it go and boil. You understand how I did? So guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so as As you can see over here, so guys, me come then cook. Believe that, come cook, guys. You understand all these there? So I'm going to peel up some food. Show you my pack, guys. See that? Guys, you come cook, guys. Believe that. Peel up some food I know, guys. Put in my pot. Watch all go and I kitchen some bad funk soup. Peel up some pumpkin. Cut up some carrot. Yam. You don't know about this, guys. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I will put in some food, you know. I will put in the carrot, Irish, and the pumpkin. So I go on over here, so. Yeah, guys. So I will put in the yam and the dashi. You understand me? I need to make it go on boil. Guys, I'm going to need some flour, you know. Guys, be about this in our kitchen. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to need some flour. I'm going to see what I want. Understand what I do. Guys, I'll be about this. So the can. Now the can, guys, I'm ready to put in the can yet. Guys, please like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell as I video drop your habit, guys. Guys, I'll be about this. Guys, I saw I go on over here, so be about this. Be about this, guys. You need of the flour, and so I go on in the kitchen. Guys, some bad kung soup. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so I will need up some flour now. Some white flour. You understand how I need the white flour, guys. Yeah, guys, so let the flour go and set. But I go and boil. You understand how I did? So guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. You drink a few cup. You can put in flour now. Understand how I did? Be about this now, guys. But I'm going to buy a second food. Be about this, guys. Be about this. funk soup, guys. Pumpkin cock soup, guys. Oh, Jamaica cock soup with pumpkin, guys. So me I use today. Yeah. Guys, we soon come back. Stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah. Yeah, just stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen, guys. I'll be a badness. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna put some flour in my pot. And some there's some flour in the pot, guys. Money kung soup, long dumpling, round dumpling. Be a badness. Guys, some bad kung soup, guys. Guys, look what I go on in that pot. Food. But food, guys. Not food. Guys, this is what I go on in that pot. bad corn soup, guys. Guys, we're not ready to put in the corn yet. Because you don't know sweet corn is soft. So you don't know about this, but soon come back, guys. Guys, be a badness. Yeah, guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna season up my pot, put in the cat noodle and everything there, we go and season. You understand all this? So guys, watch your badness for now. So we go and season, scallion thyme, a piece of shallow belly, and 3 seasoned pepper. Now I will put in the cock soup, pumpkin. You understand all these, yeah? I'm going to use 2, guys. 2. I didn't know. I never put no salt in the pot, guys, so you don't have the salt. You understand all these? Yeah. You have to know what you do when you cook. Know the type of seasoning you are using in your pot. Because sometimes you cook and you go put salt in your pot. You understand all these, and you not even remember say the season where you use have a lot of salt. And you go put salt and then you don't remember and go put the season. Oh God. When you taste like the pot that you don't want it. Yeah guys, so make the pot one cook. You understand all these? What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put in the can them. Yeah guys, I'm going to put in the can, guys. Don't know about this. Be about this in Nicholas kitchen. Yeah guys, like that take little more salt. So you go. So you leave it pot. But now I can go and cook and go down before I put any salt in my pot. You understand how DJ? So guys, I'm going to do now, I'm going to drop the can them on top. You understand how DJ? Guys, I'll be a badness in the kitchen, so stay tuned for the finishing look. And please drop a comment and tell me what you like about me lambi soup, otherwise conk. Guys, I soon come back. Yeah guys, so we have a small pack of corn with 6. Now we use 3 and put back 3 in the fridge. Don't know about this go guys. So I'm going guys. So guys, I'm going to do now cover him up and make him go and simmer. You understand all these, yeah? Turn on the stove because you don't know. Because easy to cook. And you put in the food in a long time. You understand all these, so I'll just make him go and simmer down, guys. Be a badness. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. I make conch soup, guys. Guys, you see that soup here? Yo, me not like it, yo. He bad. Remember that. Bad guys, when me say bad, he bad. Believe that.